Hello everyone, welcome to lecture 19 of the ISC2 Certified in Cybersecurity Examination Preparation series. This lecture covers asset tracking and hardware hardening. Asset tracking. Asset tracking. It is the importance of measuring or maintaining an accurate inventory, essential for risk analysis and protection. Record details like asset serial number, model number, internal asset ID. Hardware hardening includes server hardening. Apply all patches. Block unnecessary ports. Delete default uses. Regularly practiced. Workstation hardening. Often overlooked. We disable USB ports, CD drives to prevent malware introduction. Disabling ports. Disabling ports, it may be physical, disable on motherboard or block ports easy to bypass, less secure. Logical. Disable through Windows services or AD. Difficult to bypass and is more secure. Electricity and power management. Power management. There is an importance of clean, reliable power for servers without fluctuations. Disk arrays, network, and equipment also need this type of power. Power loss impacts availability and data integrity. There are some forms of power fluctuations and they are termed differently. Blackout. Blackout is when there is a long loss of power. Fault, when there is a short loss of power. Brownout, when there is a long low voltage. Sag, when there is a short low voltage. Surge, when there is a long high voltage. Spike, when there is a short high voltage. Power protection devices. There are some power protection devices, for example, surge protectors. They protect against high voltage. UPS, uninterruptible power supply, ensures that constant and clean power and act as surge protectors. Generators provide power during outages, need fuel and maintenance. PDUs, power distribution unit, manage power distribution. Backups overview. Backups, they're essential for fault tolerance and high availability. Types, they can be full, incremental, differential, and copy backups. Backup policies, they define what to backup, exclude, and retain. Types of backups. There are different types of backups. Full backup backs up everything, clears all archive bits, single tape for restore. Incremental backup backs up changes since last backup, clears archive bits, multiple tapes for restore. Differential backup backs up changes since last full backup, does not clear archive bits, two tapes for restore. Copy backup full backup without clearing archive bits, used before system updates. Archive bit and redundancy. Archive bit NTFS flag indicating file changes since last backup. Redundancy, it ensures system availability. RAID, disk mirroring and striping. RAID type, RAID overview. RAID 0, striping, no redundancy, faster read or write, 2 disks. RAID 1, mirroring, redundancy, 2 disks. RAID 5, striping with distributed parity, redundancy, 3 disks. System redundancy. System redundancy is caused due to the following reasons: redundant power supplies, fans, NICs, spare hardware or hand, hot swappable components, clustering for fault tolerance and load balancing, geographical dispersion for high availability. Advanced redundancy techniques. It includes database shadowing, that is real-time copy to another location, electronic vaulting, e-vaulting, this remote backup service, and remote journaling. It sends transaction log files to a remote location. Advanced redundancy techniques. Advanced redundancy. Database shadowing. Real-time copy to another location. Electronic vaulting, e-vaulting. Remote backup service. Remote journaling. Sends transaction log files to a remote location. Conclusion. We discussed asset tracking, importance and hardware hardening. We covered power management, backup types, RAID, and system redundancy. This is the end of this lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.